Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type recorder. Then download this app from this developer if you don't have it already on your Samsung. Now open it and tap allow, then allow again. Tap on the red button to start your recording. You can pause it by clicking on the same button. Then click OK. To save your recording, click on the right button in this square shape. Name it. And lastly, tap Save. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, hold it and tap at the bottom right corner on Delete. Then choose Turn on Recycle Bin. After that, move to Recycle Bin. As you can see, my recording was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!